Content Gorilla review. Hi guys, what's up? This is Arvind from arvind-naya.com and a warm welcome to Content Gorilla 2.0 review and demo. In this video, I will take you through the members area. As you can see, I'm inside the members area. So this is the dashboard we are looking in, and also I will show you the sales page, how it looks, and I will give a complete demo of this particular product and what it does and how it operates. So please stay tuned till end of this video, and I also have created some exclusive bonuses as usual. So please stick on to me till end of this video. Now, what is Content Gorilla 2.0 in a nutshell? Why I'm saying 2.0 is it had got a previous version which was launched some time back, but this is actually having more features. So that's the reason I'm saying it is 2.0. Anyway, so what's Content Gorilla in a one-line summary? So if you want to create an instant blog from YouTube videos, any YouTube videos, you can create instant blogs and post it onto your social platforms within 60 seconds. So it's a cloud-based application, and it will have a Google search bar or a search engine within its software. You can actually search on any content which is available within YouTube, click on that particular YouTube, create a post, and it's very easy. Within 60 seconds you can create a blog. We can convert it into PDF format, you can convert it into Word document, whatever format you want, and then just simply publish to Facebook, Twitter, whatever social media you have to you can promote. You can do that with the links also. So one more advantage is that many of your post will help you because the links are hidden, which will not have a problem with posting on these in different social media platforms, right? So that's just an overall idea or a one line summary. It's not a one line summary, it's a detailed summary which I gave you. But a one line summary is, again, if you want to convert any YouTube video into a blog post, this is the product you're looking into, because it is a cloud-based application. Second, it has got SEO and also techniques which will boost your page performance as well, right? So before going into any further detail, I'm going to show you my exclusive bonuses. I have got an additional bonus as well this time, so please let me go through that first. So the first bonus what I'm going to give you is called all-in-one social media marketing tool. So what will happen is this will help you to basically promote any of your blogs or any content or your affiliate links, whatever, marketing, all-in-one social media marketing, and will help you to boost your conversions, boost your product or an idea which you're going to try to promote in internet or through social media. This is the bonus I'm going to give you as bonus number one. That is the first bonus. The second bonus is basically I'm going to talk about how to create a sales funnel using your website. Now, as you're aware, there are many funnels which are available, which is very critical. So when I say funnels are, you should be already aware of it, or if you're not, these are some kind of a landing page where you send your customers to a particular page before the buying happens, and potentially you will collect all the information, not all the information, whatever information you require using this landing page. Now these landing page or sales funnels is that is one part of sales funnel. The other part is in, if you want to sell a product or if you want to make some sales page or any pages, these kind of sales funnels will help you a long way, because it is very professional looking and people tend to get those sales funnels. Now sales funnels, for example, if you look at ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels, which has recently launched, are very expensive. So I'm going to give you a bonus that you can use your website, existing website, to create a sales funnel with the same professional level of expertise and the same professional look, everything, so that you don't have to shell out more than two. If you look at ClickFunnels, the bare minimum plan they have is for $100, and it'll go up to $600-$500 on a monthly basis. Now that is a monthly basis subscription. Now this is a bonus which will help you to create sales funnels and potentially save a lot of money using this particular bonus. So that's a bonus number two. The bonus number three is generate passive income via blogging. Now, along with this Content Gorilla, with this particular bonus, you can go to generate a lot of passive income, and this bonus will help you to exactly tell you the tips and tricks on how to generate passive income using blogging. And if you look, specifically with Content Gorilla, take any particular video, you can get any videos from YouTube within seconds, 60 seconds. You're going to get that into a PDF or a blog post, and then using this particular bonus, you can convert into a multi cycle where you can rinse and repeat, and you can potentially earn passive income. So that's a bonus number 3. Bonus number 4 is monetize any shared image on social media. Again, you need to think from a point where you're using Content Gorilla and my bonus. So you can, in the Content Gorilla post, once you create anything from YouTube, you can actually insert images over there. I will show you in the members area, you can actually post images, you can post social images over there. And with this particular bonus, even for those particular photos, you can actually monetize those social images, right? So that's a bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 is get demographic data about your site visitors. Now, this is some of the key things where many of the people uh, uh, you know uh, don't concentrate. The reason is, you need to understand where your customers, or where the more the traffic is coming from. So we need to understand from which demographic is coming, where they are coming from, tier 1 countries, or within, let's say, within US, which city is getting a particular product you're trying to sell. So what I'm trying to tell you is, based on that information, you can actually promote those particular products to those particular demographics, so that the conversions will be more. And I can say that the conversion rate based on the demography is at least 20 to 30% more, for sure, than the normal. So if you're getting a conversion of 10%, now if you know the demographic, you're going to get at least 40% of the conversions on the product which you are already promoting, or on the ideas you are already promoting. And this is a guaranteed method. Now this is a plug and play WordPress tool. So you don't have to do anything extra. You have to just install it, and that's it. You will get the data continuously going forward. So that is the bonus number 5 I'm going to give you. The bonus number 6 is rank your page and website to be on top of Google search. As you know, for any, even for blogging, for affiliate marketing, or for any niche site as well, the first and foremost thing is, when somebody searches you on Google, or somebody searches you on YouTube, or somebody searches on, let's say, Bing, whatever may be the platforms, you need to be at least in the first page, so that people will tend to go through your money page. When I say money page, is where you wanted to promote your products, or promote your customers coming in and picking up the product. So those aspects is very important, and this particular bonus will help you to make sure your page is always on the top spot in these searches. So that's the bonus number 6 I'm going to give you. So generally I stop with 6, but this time, because this product is one of the coolest product, and one of the absolute brilliant product which has come recently, I'm going to give another bonus for you as well. So the bonus number 7 is explode your YouTube channel. As you know, YouTube is still one of the largest social media platform out there, which has got tons of content, tons of visitors, tons of subscribers still, and people go on and on and on searching, because nowadays people tend to go on to YouTube because they tend to get more understanding when there is a video, when a person puts on his face on a camera and speaks just like me, will have a more in I don't say it is like a, what do you call it, it's more on a confidence booster, and also learning some things is much quicker. So YouTube is also powered by Google, as you know. It has got a basic search engine as Google, and it is very important that you optimize certain stuff in YouTube. If you're trying to promote certain things via YouTube, you need to be absolutely clear that what are the keywords you're using, what are the different type of strategies you need to put, how you need to write a good headline, everything. So that those all contribute to make sure your video is ranking again in top pages once while somebody searches. So this bonus will help you to explode your YouTube channel, get more subscribers, get more views. And if you are trying to monetize your YouTube channel, then this is a real bonus. Even if you're not trying to monetize your YouTube, then also you are going to get more views with this technique. So this is a bonus number 7 I'm going to give you. And finally, all the vendor bonuses which the vendor has promised, which will also be available for you as part of this particular product. if you are picking up the product from my link down below. So if you're watching through YouTube, the link would be in the description down below. You can click on it and it will take you through this particular page. You can click on any of these violet or purple or blue, whatever color you feel, and it will take you through the sales page. So this is how the sales page looks like. Once you click on this get early access, it will take you through the JVZoo. That's the marketplace where this particular product is launching. And once you click on it and purchase, go to your purchase history, and under your purchase history in JVZoo, you'll find a blue button where it shows access your all your bonuses, and you will get all my 7 bonuses including vendor bonuses available there free of charge, and you can absolutely go and use it. Now just be aware that this will be all my bonuses will expire once the countdown timer hits 0, and which I don't really want you guys to lose out, because I've put a lot of extra effort for creating all these bonuses, and you will not find any of these bonuses outside or given by anybody else, because I have created exclusively for you guys. So I really don't want you guys to miss on these bonuses. So what you need to do is, again, click on this link. It will take you to the sales page, and once you purchase from JVZoo, you can access all the bonuses under this blue button under JVZoo. Now this is a product by Neil Napier, which is going to be released on 5th of December 10 a.m. EST. So you will able to purchase after 10 a.m. EST on 5th December, and that's where the product goes live. Now again, so let me read out quickly. So one line summary: Content Gorilla is a cloud-based app that converts any YouTube video into a fully formatted blog post in 60 seconds, and built-in scheduler helps put out targeted content to different social media sites. So that's one thing which I wanted to highlight here, as well as they have got content spinners, they have got grammar corrections, they have got punctuations corrections, and also there is kind of a disclaimer where you say that this is as seen in YouTube, so that you are comfortable. And if you are feeling that, okay, if I take any video from YouTube, will have a problem, no, because there is a place where you can actually put those clearly and saying that this is seen as in YouTube, right? So with Content Gorilla 2.0, you can create contents in 105 YouTube supported languages. That's some of the additional catch in this. So it is not just English. There are 105 different languages it can cater to, and we will work with left to right languages like Hebrew and Arabic as well. Now instantly integrate the WordPress with lightly weighted plugin that accompanies web-based Content Gorilla 2. So what you need to do is you need to install your API and the plugin. It's very simple. You need to actually just click and play. That will go and happen in your website, and your Content Gorilla is ready and up to speed. Yeah, so the other point is, okay, now before going into the prices, let me take you through the sales page. Now this is a sales page as I shown, and this is Neil Napier, who is a product owner. He has released umpteen number of products which are still very valuable, and some of the products are still, some of the products which they have released are still kind of tools which still people like me or affiliate marketers use, because this is a tool you need in your toolkit when you're doing affiliate marketing, when you're promoting some things or blog writing, etc. This is the right product you need to get. Now this is a sales page, so it's a typical sales page. It's a long sales page. I'm not going into detail, but it typically talks about what are the challenges which is covered, and also it will show you what is the difference or what is upgrade which has been taken place from 1.0. So if you guys are not aware of 1.0, you don't have to worry about it. But if people have got 1.0, then you can potentially have a look at what are the improvements, and then some testimonials, and some what you call some money or some revenue generation proof are also in the sales page. So you can come onto the sales page, click on my bonus link, any link on the bonus page, and it will take you through this particular page, and you can have a look at it. Now let me go through the demo. So this is the dashboard. So if you click on your site, so first of all, you need to search when you start. Yeah, you need to search on your website, and then you can actually integrate those or add your website and integrate that particular plugin over there, or you can actually update in your website itself. So that's the first thing you need to do. But if you come to the dashboard, you can see multiple videos, so you can select from anything. So for example, let me again, if you look at my bonus page, sorry to jump across, but if you look at my bonus page, I have given the complete demo, in detail demo over here. It is close to 12 minutes. So guys, I don't want to take your time completely showing through the demo, so you can actually have a look at my demo if it is required. That is in the bonus page as well. So in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give a walkthrough of how this product works, so that you will have a look and feel and understanding how this all operates. Right, so you can actually search for, let me say I'm using the same solid state, so you can see hard drive, let's say hard drive. Yeah, now you can see this is something which is coming from, generated from Google. So Google also, this will also give you additional search options. Now, if you search with solid state hard drive, now you will find a lot of posts which is in YouTube. Also, you can actually sort by relevance or most recent, or you can even you can most viewed. Yeah. So it's very simple. So you have got what you need to do a blog from YouTube. Now it's very simple to go and create a post. That's it. Create a post. Yeah, I think it's my internet. Yeah, there you go. It's already there. Now see, it'll also, the advantage over here is it'll also have that video over here. You can edit everything over here. If you want, you can download the content, you can change the header over here, and see how quickly, it's not even 60 seconds, it's generated completely. Now if you want to make changes also, you can do that as well. If you want to do anything, you can do it here. And if you want to insert certain images, that also is done. Yeah, if you add image, if I'm not wrong, it is there. See, you can actually add images, you can search images again. So all those things could be done, and this is where you can add an image and put your links over here. Yeah, so you can actually put the images over here. And featured image, there are featured image, this is a featured image, it automatically takes from the thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail as well. So if you don't want this particular featured image, you can still change it. If you're not interested, you can change it. But the point is, it will automatically capture the featured image from YouTube, so you don't have to worry about it. If you're interested or if you're liking that particular image, you can keep it, otherwise you can change it. Now again, this is where you can actually tag. Again, the interesting thing is you don't have to do any kind of keyword research. Now the keyword researches are also there, and these are the highest ranking videos which is currently available in YouTube. So these keywords are already searched and proven, because that's the reason it is staying top of YouTube videos. So for you, you can actually get those keywords as well. If you want to add more keywords, of course you can add it like this, or if you don't want, or you're not aware of it, you can do that as well. So it is completely a newbie friendly thing. The reason is many people don't know the importance of keyword, but this will take care of that as well. Now another thing is syndication, where I told SEO optimization is one thing, tags, and now the syndication, where you can actually post to different groups. You can upload a photo again if you want, and you can actually upload to different groups. Now there is a place where you can actually include many other your social media platforms. You can add those, and you can actually post those at one shot to different social media platforms. So that is where the syndication and your SEO ranking comes into picture. And then finally, once you're happy, you can actually publish it. You can select the website, you can whatever you want to publish as post category, and then publish. Simple as that. That's it. Content done. Blogging is over. You have multiple posts happening in multiple websites or social media, everything in a click of a button, along with images, along with your affiliate links, along with your product review if you want, or even your photos, featured photos. Everything should be done within seconds. That is the simplicity, and that is the power of this particular Content Gorilla 2.0. Right, guys? So that is basically how it works. Now again, as I told, the detailed steps and procedure is there in my demo, but you can still do a scheduling if you don't want to post it on a particular time or a particular, sorry, if you want to post certain things on a particular time or particular date, you can do that by scheduler. You have got channel scheduler as well. You can write an article. If you want to write it independently, you can go and do it. If you want to post later, that also you can do that. Then it is where the integration happens. You can integrate to multiple other platforms. As I told, you can integrate to social media networks, whatever, how many networks you have. And if you want, what you call to do syndication, this is where you need to integrate certain websites, and that's how it is. So settings, nothing. So this is a quick a walkthrough or a run through of the product demo as such. Now coming back to the prices, coming back to my bonus page. So the prices is the front end price is there are two options. Either you pay a 19.95 on a monthly basis for all those we have seen just now along with all my bonuses, or this is where it is very interesting, $37, just $37 one time fees, payment made, forget it. You're going to get all the features which I've discussed along with my 7 bonuses, along with the vendor bonuses, everything available for you right there and right now. So that is the front end price. Now there is an upsell number 1 called Unlimited, which is for $67. Again, that's a one-time payment. Use on unlimited website of your own. Unlimited integration, LinkedIn, Twitter, FB page plus group. Internal linking, channel scheduler, 100% automated for your content creation, publish long form high authority content, syndicate contents on 50 plus social media profiles. So that is something which is very unique, because there are other products just for syndication. They cost around $60 to $70 on a monthly subscription basis. Now here you're getting syndication because you can actually add the medias, and then you are also creating a post instantly without anything. You have just select a YouTube video which is ranking very high, create it, and that's it. And this is the upsell one where you're going to get 50 plus social media syndication is possible. Upsell number 2 is done for you blocks, which is costing around 197. Now you're going to get 10 done for you blocks pre-written content, one click simple install to any WordPress site, fully compatible with any modern WordPress plugins, easy to download and manage. That's upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 is agency right, so I don't have to explain more. You can get 250 or 50, sorry, 50 or 250. If it is for 50, then it is 147. If it is for 250, it's for 197. Again, it add up, so you can add up to 250 or 250. You can ability to add, delete users, give basic account to clients, access to full management panel, access to new, okay, all those stuff. So what you can do is, if you're a product creator, or if you want to what you call create a product and add this as a content gorilla to your particular product release, and give access to multiple people, you can actually go and buy this particular upsell, and then potentially you can give this as a bonus, or upsell for them. So that's option number 3. Option number 4 is training 21 days. So it's just training. So we used to sell it at 97. They now reduced to 37. So you'll have a step-by-step 21-day plan to generate recurring income. I'm not going to read it out because it's basically training, and then they have got a collection videos, etc. Now, in every video which I do, or every review video I do, I make things more interesting, more realistic. I give you pros and cons. So some of the pros are, it is a multi-publishing at a time with one click, as I've shown you. It has got a punctuator and post archived included. So if you miss on punctuations, it will do it by its own, and also it will post archived included. Integrations, you can integrate to LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Facebook groups. Create an image for posting and internal linking. Advanced search and quick converts available. Content creating from 105 languages, auto add relevant images, and built-in content spinner. So content spinner is something which is very unique, because you will not have the same content written again and again. So that means your blog will be unique. And rest assured, just to add one point, rest assured, why this point is very key is, YouTube have got close to how many videos on a daily basis they upload, and every video, including what I speak, is unique, because nobody will have the same words, the same tonality. Forget about tonality, the same explanation, or same way of thought process. So every video, when you're going to do it as a post, it's different, and that's the reason your page would also be ranking separately. fetch images and video tags to post that I've already shown. Automatically it gets the tags. And then the bonus which is going to there including is course building on a WordPress website from scratch. Now this is again very important because you are going to get this as a bonus, and along with my ClickFunnels or sale funnel thing, you can actually get the website built if you're not aware, and then use my bonus to get it as a sales funnel created for you. So the cones are, again, monetizing is something which is some kind of a lacking, that is, and also some of the building of the website, etc. So that is where my bonuses come into picture. Again, just to show you my bonuses once again quickly. So all in one social media marketing tool which is going to help you a long way. You have got create sales funnels using your website, which is another added advantage. You're going to save hundreds of dollars on a monthly basis if you're going to use this particular approach. Again, generate passive income by blogging. Now you can create a post via YouTube, and when you use my bonus, it's going to be very, very powerful. You're going to recurring income is going to come on a monthly basis. And again, if you see, I told you very clearly on monetizing those images as well. You can attach those images. Now this is where you can actually monetize those image, and I can go on and go on. So yeah, rank your web pages and then you explode your channel. So my bonuses alone is something which is more than the value which you're going to get at 37. If you're going to pick up the front end itself, is more than enough. Anyways, guys, so think about it and go through my bonus page and also go through the sales page. And I hope you like my review. If you like my review, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another review. Till then, cheers, bye.